Accessing data while out of the office was impossible with traditional CAD tools. All I needed to do was grab a dimension off a design to communicate to the team, but instead I had to delay the delivery of a project. Well, not with Fusion 360. Managing your data is simpler than ever before. And every time you save, you're saving to the cloud, where your data is globally accessible and safeguarded by replication and best-in-class enterprise security. Even when you're not connected to the internet, Fusion 360 has an offline mode to continue working while you're on the go. Fusion 360 works natively on both Mac and PCs, so you can forget about boot workarounds. No matter where you log in, your data, preferences, and settings will all be the same. But don't just stop there. Interact with your data from web browsers and mobile applications. You'll find apps made for both iOS and Android. But you can always access your data directly through a browser where you'll be able to view, redline, and comment on any device at any time. This is Fusion 360, online, offline, and on the go.